videos you learn or you did counting 1 to 60. Now I will teach you counting 61 to 70. But before that we will do a quick revision of numbers 1 to 60. Okay. Now you can see that I already wrote 1 to 60 numbers here. Now we will do oral of this. Okay. First of all, what is this? This is T and this is O. As you know that T stands for tens and O stands for ones. Okay. You have to write number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9 below 1. And after that you have to write 10. 1 means in 10 you have to write 1 below T and 0 below ones. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now 1, 1, 1, 1, 11. Now 1, 2. That is 1, 2, 12. You can see that I wrote 1 below tens and 2 below ones. You have to write in same way. Okay. And you should touch the bottom lines. Okay. This is called a bottom line. Okay. You have to write numbers like this only. Now 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5. 1, 5, 15. 1 and then 6. It's called 1, 6, 16. 1, 7. 1, 7, 17. 1 and then 8. It's called 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19 and then 2, 0. Okay. Here you have to write 2, not 1. Okay. 2, 0, 20. After 20 which number come? Yes. Then you will start line of 2. Means you have to write 2 below T and 1 below ones. Okay. This is 2 and 1. 2, 1, 21. Now 2 and 2. 2, 2, 22. Now 2, 3. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4. 2, 4, 24. This is 2 and this is 5. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6 means 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And then 3, 0, 30. It's 3 and it's 0. It's called 3, 0, 30. Now, which line will come? Yes, that is 3 line means 3 and then 1. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. Then 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. And then 4, 0 means 4, 0, 40. Now 4, 1, 41. Okay. You can see after 40 which line come? 4, 1. Okay. 4 you have to write below T and 1, 2, 3 numbers you have to write below O means ones. Okay. Now see 4 and this is 1. It's called 4, 1, 41. Now 4 and then 2. 4, 2, 42. 4 and then 3. 4, 3, 43. 4 and 4. 4, 4, 44. Then 4, 5. 4, 5, then 4, 6. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7. 4, 7, 47. Then 4, 8. 4, 8, 48. Now 4, 9. 49. 49 after, it's 5, 0, 50. It's 5 and it's 0. It's called 5, 0, 50. Now you have to start 5 lines. Means now you can see it's line of 5. Means you have to write 5 below T. Okay. And the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that you have to write below O. Means ones. Okay. Now 5, 1. It's called 5, 1, 51. Then 5, 2. 5, 2, 52. 5, 3. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5. 5, 5, 55. Now 5, 6. 5, 6, 56. 5, 7. 5, 7, 57. 5, 8. 5, 8, 58. Now 5, 9. 5, 9, 59. What come after 5, 9, 59? Yes, it's 60. 6 and then 0. It's called 60, 60. Okay. In maths, it is compulsory that you have to know number 1 to 10. If you are knowing number 1 to 10 properly, then you will know counting 1 to 100 simply, because you can see that 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here. Means in each and every line or in each and every number you have to see that we are repeating these numbers only. Okay. If you are having 11, means 11 line, then you have to write 1, 1, 1, 1 below 10, and then you have to write counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 you have to write same, and then you have to write 2, 0, 20. And when you are having 21 line, then what you have to write? Yes, you have to write 2 below 10. See, you can see now 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. And then you have to write 1, 2, 3 counting below ones. So if you know counting 1 to 10 properly, then you know counting 1 to 100 nicely. So it's mandatory that you have to do practice of this number. Okay, 1 to 10. Okay. Now we will start our new topic, that is counting 61 to 70. Now in today's session I will teach you how to write counting 61 to 70. You can see here which number is this. This is 6 and this is 0. It's called 60, 60. Okay. Now which number will come? Here we have to write number 6 below T. Okay. And you have to make 6 like this. First curve and then second curve like this. Okay. And what you have to write here? We have to start from one number. So we have to write here 1. Below ones we have to write here 1 like this. 1. Okay. Now this is called 6, 1, 61. This is 6 and this is 1. Okay. Now 6, 1, 61. Okay. Now which number come after 61? It's 6, 2. So you have to write here 6 below T, make a curve and then second curve like this. Okay. 6 done, and then you have to write number 2. Okay. This is number 1. Which number come after 2? After 1, that is 2. So you have to write here 2 like this. You have to make a curve, then slanting line and then sloping line like this. Okay. This is called 62. 6 and then 2. Now you have which number come after 62? That is 6, 3, 63. First you have to make a 6 like this. Okay. Below T you have to write 6 number only. Okay. Now this is number 2. Which number come after 2? 3. Okay. Then you have to write here 3. First curve and then second curve. You have to make 2 curve. Okay. This is 6 and this is 3. It's called 6, 3, 63. Now which number come after 63? It's 6, 4, 64. So first you have to write 6 here. Like this. And then after 3 which number will come? It's 4. Okay. Then you have to make 4 here. First standing line, then sleeping line, and then again standing line like this. Okay. It's a 4. Okay. Now 6 and 4. 6, 4, 64. Now which number come after 64? Yes, 65. Then first you have to make a 6 like this. Okay. Then you have, what you have to make? Which number come after 4? Yes, it's 5. So you have to make 5 here. First sleeping line, then standing line, and then you have to make a curve. Okay. Done. Now which number come after 6, 5? It's 6, 6, 66. Means 2 times you have to write 6. Okay. First you have to write 6 here below T. Like this. And then you have to make another 6. Because which number come after 5? It's 6. Then you have to make 6 here. Like this. Okay. 6, 6, 66. Now which number come after 6, 6, 66? Is 6, 7. Okay. You have to make 6 here below T like this, and then you have to make a 7. How to write 7? Yes, sleeping line and then slanting line like this. Okay. It's called 6, 7, 67. 6 and then 7. 6, 7, 67. Now which number come after 6, 7, 67? Yes, it's 6, 8, 68. First you have to make a 6 like this. Then you have to make 8 like this. Okay. 6. This number is 6 and this number is 8. Now 6, 8, 68. Now which number come after 68? Yes, 69. First you have to make a 6 like this, and then you have to make 9. First curve and then standing line. Okay. Now which number come after 69, 69? It's 7, 0, 70. So you have to write here 7, not 6. Okay. Because it's 7, 0, 70. First you have to make 7. Okay. Then you have to make a 0 below 1 like this. It's called 0. Okay. This is number 7 and this is 0. It's 7, 0, 70. You can see. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 you have to write like this only. If we are having a 6 line, then you have to write 6 below T. If we are having 5 means 5 on 51 line, then you have to write 5 and this number will remain same only. So it's too simple to write counting. Again we have to do a revision of this. 6, 1, 61, 6, 2, 62, 6, 3, 63, 6, 4, 64, 6, 5, 65, 6, 6, 66, 6, 7, 67, 6, 8, 68, 6, 9, 69, and then 7, 0, 70. Okay. I hope you understand how to write counting 1 to 70. It is simple if you know this counting 1 to 10. If you know counting 1 to 10 properly, then you never face any problem till counting 100. Okay. Now counting 1 to 70 is done. I hope you understand all these things. You have to do practice at home for counting for numbers.